Good morning. So, this is Dustin over at Love Family Farm, and we are going to take care of some winterization. The weather out here in Missouri is getting a little chilly, so I've got some hay, some straw actually, that I'm going to throw in the kidding pen and the pig pen, just to make sure everybody stays extra warm. So we're going to get that taken care of this morning. I'm going to do the roosters and stuff like that too. Then we're going to make some nesting boxes, all that good stuff. Alright, so here's my straw. I'm going to throw it in this pen with the mama and the babies. And then I'm going to throw some into the pig pen. I will clean out some waters, get some feed going. It's getting a little bit chilly out here these days, so I want to make sure they stay extra warm and throw some extra bedding in there. We're just going to layer it up today. Stock it up and layer it up really high. Alright, so we're all layered up. Everybody's got some fresh bedding. They ain't mad about it. Let me go over to this chicken coop. Knock it out real quick. Alright, so we got the boys knocked out. Some fresh bedding in there. Make sure they're nice and warm. You're knuckleheads. Alright, so nesting box construction. I'm going to build some nesting boxes on the bottom part of this. Alright. So I got my tape measure. Whatever makes some measurements. I got some extra of these boards up here that I'm going to work with to make some nesting boxes. So I'm going to take some measurements, make some cuts, get these nesting boxes figured out, and then I'm going to throw some bedding down in there because these chickens are going to be laying eggs soon. Them ducks are always so noisy. This is Love Family Farm, and we'll be back with you in just a moment. Alright, so I got some of the measurements done. I'm going to make the cuts real quick. Then I got to do some measurements out on the other board. And then I'm going to grab some screws and some pliers, and I'm going to go build up the nesting boxes and throw some bedding in them. Alright, we got nesting boxes. So that was the job that I was trying to get done today. Nesting boxes built, hay put around everyone so they get fresh bedding. But it seems like that's all I'm going to get done today. It's kind of a chilly day, and I'm going to take a relaxation with my wife when she has to go to work. Once again, this is the Love Family Farm. Please subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.